Alright, I just got a nice little new Zippo for my collection. Let's take a look at it. Alright, this comes in the normal black box, and on the back it says upscale pipe lighters. Now this is really not what I consider upscale, because price tag is only about 20 bucks, and it's a pipe lighter. You can see it's got the pipe lighter on the insert. Zippo, genuine Zippo, made in the USA. It's on a chrome body, and you can see the image of the detective on there. Sherlock Holmes has always been one of my favorite detectives, and this was made in G of 13. That's July of this year. And let's take a look at the insert. Well, it's got a really good sound, and the insert was made in February of this year, so they don't match, which is not good. I'd rather have them matching. And one of the things about pipe lighters, they have the big hole on the side and the small hole on top. Lights up just fine. When you light a pipe, you tilt it sideways. So that is they're just calling it upscale pipe lighter, but I'm calling it the Sherlock Holmes pipe lighter. Be a good addition to my collection. It's got a really good sound. So that is a new pipe lighter. I only have a few pipe lighters. Knuckle bump.